If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Raindrop.io, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. This guide will walk you through the necessary actions. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Raindrop.io account by entering your credentials on the website or app. Ensure you are logged into the account where the pending transfer is located. Step 2. Navigate to the Transfers section. Once logged in, locate the Transfers section in your account dashboard. This area will display all your current and pending transfers. Step 3. Identify the pending transfer. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Select the transfer. Click on the pending transfer to open its details. This will provide you with more information and options related to the transfer. Step 5. Cancel the transfer. Look for the option to cancel the transfer, usually labeled as cancel or withdraw. Click this option and confirm your decision when prompted to ensure the transfer is cancelled. Once you have completed these steps, the pending transfer should be successfully cancelled. If you have any further questions or issues, consider reaching out to Raindrop.io support for assistance.